Hello and welcome to another exciting edition of Fingerprinting Gurus. My name is Tommy Watkins, your instructor, here for a new and exciting topic this week. Before I get into this week's topic, I'd like for everyone to go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and a notification bell so you too can continue to receive content like this each and every week that will not only help assist you as an entrepreneur, your ink card fingerprinting business, but your mobile ink card fingerprinting business as well. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this week's topic: how to charge a customer for service before it's performed. Uh, Ladies and gentlemen, this is a common dilemma for small businesses everywhere. Uh, you need cash immediately, but customers are paying. Not to say our business in particular, but it's a industry as a whole. 30 or even 60 days after the service is rendered. Late payments stretch financial resources, and late or non-existent payments from large clients can be a disaster. Get some of your clients to pay up front in order to avoid cash flow woes. Number one, everyone loves a good bargain, and your customer are no exception. Offer a small discount for paying for orders up front, just like something like 5-10% off. Will create an incentive for early payment. Be sure that your business can support a discount prior to offering it to the customer. Calculate potential profits after the discount to ensure your business remains profitable. Number two, provide unique incentive to customers who pay up front. These could include a fee service, coupon, maybe a free ink fingerprinting card when they purchase one card. You could do something of that nature. Um, you know, you could do something with another businesses that's like-minded to yours. Uh, let's say mobile notary service. You can get them a coupon for a neighboring business for mobile notary services after they do business with you. You could do things of that nature to drum up business not only for yourself but for others as well. Um, and of course, personal customer service representative to ensure that the incentive you offer is meaningful to the customer uh, based on your customer base. Try polling a few clients to see what type of incentive would take that would make them more likely to pay up front. Number three, you want to offer priority scheduling. If your business is running full tilt, you'll probably have trouble squeezing last minute appointment requests. Provide customers who pay up front with top priority scheduling, ensuring that they will be serviced within a set number of days or weeks. You can also provide exclusive access to the most coveted time slots each day um, by holding appointment blocks for these customers to ensure they receive prompt service. Least but not last, you want to create a new payment policy requiring upfront payment for some or all customers. You could limit upfront payment to new customers or require prepayment only for small customers. Since the unpaid bills of small clients can quickly become a headache to collect, this saves you time as well as money. So be careful when implementing this strategy so you don't or do not anger important important clients or customers. Um, Either exclude them from the upfront payment policy or negotiate a compromise to ensure their continued business. All right, ladies and gentlemen, for his rendering payments or getting payments up front, it's also a good practice when you starting out in the mobile notary, and of course ink fingerprinting business, to take business up front. It's nothing like getting burned. Uh, then a customer book onto your system and they agree to meet somewhere and they don't meet you. You know, that's that's a frustrating feeling to have. The way gas prices are, I wouldn't suggest anyone to go out without getting some type of payment arrangement. I myself, for my business, I do everything full payment up front, and I have systems for that, so the customers can feel comfortable with that process. I receive full payment up front, no haggle, no anything. Now, for those individuals that do have an issue with that, they're not my customers. Uh, I don't make any exceptions because what I don't deal with is problematic or going to be problematic customers. Uh, as you will learn that your client base, you have less problems. And because of that, my ratings reflect that. I don't take on any and everybody as a customer. Everybody's not going to fit your model. And you have to accept that. When you try to take on everyone and everybody, that's when it's conflict. So definitely receive your funding up front uh, for your services. It's you just remove yourself from any potential headaches when you do that, and it's just so much I can share on that. I never placed myself in a position where I leave the house or anything of that nature, not knowing that I'm paid. I leave the house knowing that I'm paid, and I go service that customer to the best of my ability, and therefore I get positive reviews, and of course those positive reviews reflect over to new and potential clients that are looking for a service, and of course within those reviews, those clients speak for me. So therefore, when new clients come aboard and they see those reviews, then it's not an issue whether or not they should pay me up front. The reviews speak for itself. And when they call you and you have high reviews and your reviews speak for yourself, they don't have a problem with paying prepaying up front. I myself, I do take all monies up front. It just depends on how you want to run your model. You might want to take 50% up front. You might want to take 50% up front and you require them to pay the other amount when you arrive, or you'll book the remainder upon arrival, something to that extent. But you want to make sure, these clients, these customers have skin in the game. Because they don't have skin in the game, guess what? They do whatever. It doesn't mean nothing to them. It's almost like getting something for free, and that's what it is when they don't have skin in the game. It's something for free, and they less likely have any type of motivation to meet you to get something that they need done. That's going to benefit them. So don't put yourself in a position, ladies and gentlemen, within this ink fingerprinting space by not obtaining your monies up front. If they want to bicker with you, if they want to say business ABC over here doesn't do it, but you don't want to do it, you got to run your ship. You can't run the ABC ship. You got to run your fingerprinting ship, because your business is not their business, and their business is not your business or whatever. I hope I didn't get jumbled up there, but you get what I'm saying. But that's pretty much all I have for this week, ladies and gentlemen. If you have any comments or questions, please do place your information down in the comment box. I will be sure to get back to each and every one of you. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, the notification bell, so you too can continue to receive content like this each and every week. Ladies and gentlemen, it doesn't cost you a thing to hit that like button, to hit that subscribe button, to get that YouTube algorithm going, so I can get out there to the masses that is wanting to hear this content. It's not only helping me as a content creator, but it's also helping me to stay on for you guys to continue to bring this content. Enjoy what I do, but it's also up to you all, ladies and gentlemen, to help move this platform so we can definitely get some really good, knowledgeable fingerprint technicians out there. I want to build that core group. I don't want to work with everybody. I want to work with the select, because everybody won't be able to do this. You have to be business minded, ladies and gentlemen, to do this. This ain't no get rich quick scheme. You will work, but the rewards are there when you put in that work. You can make 500. You can make 500 or better per day. It's up to you and how you want to market your business and your pricing. It's just totally up to you, ladies and gentlemen. What I do here, I'm not gonna put on some marketing ploy to make fingerprinting what is not. I'm not bringing that notary arena stuff here. I'll be legit, be a straight shooter, and we're gonna be serious about things over here. And I build professionals. I build professionals. That's what it comes down to. I want you to be the most informed when you're out there, because the most informed that you are as a business owner, ink fingerprinting technician, the best you are for the communities that you're serving with this service, so you can grow as an entrepreneur. That's just enough time for me letting off the steam. You see, I'm passionate about this, and we're going to see some coming months and days how this thing unfolds. I am releasing a lot of digital products for you guys to want to purchase. So I will be putting information out there in a little bit in regards to digital products, and just looking for new ways to want to teach you guys and to work with some new professionals to bring aboard. All right, that's it for me, Randy Raven. We'll see you next week with a new and exciting topic of fingerprinting gurus. Thank you.